Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to discuss one insane research from OpenAI side, okay? So, which is nothing but ChatGPT, okay? So, I think you probably heard of this name, ChatGPT, because it is like most trending, you can say topic over the internet. And if you don't know what is ChatGPT, ChatGPT is a like you can say optimizing language models, okay? For dialogue. So here if you see, they have trained a model called ChatGPT, which interacts in a conversational way, okay? And it performs like human level, guys, just trust me. So here guys, I was doing some experiment with the ChatGPT, and here actually I was just totally fascinated. It blows my mind actually, guys. I mean, I don't know like how it is performing in that way, okay? Because see, after using the chat gpt, what I feel like, I don't need even Google, okay, to search anything if I have any query or if I have any issue, okay? So I'll show you some of the example like I was doing, because see, it is performing well because it has trained with like larger amount of data, okay, till 2020, okay, till 2021 or 2020. But so here guys, if you see the release date of this chat gpt, okay, it's November 30. But if you just give like the data after November 30, okay, so it will give you some wrong, like you can say, answer. But if you just give the data before that, okay, like if you ask anything before this date, okay, it would be able to answer like correctly, okay? Because see, OpenAI is a big organization, and they have like come up with a like very interesting research, okay, till now. Even they have come up with one research, I think you remember, which is nothing but Delhi 2, okay? So this is another research. So here if you just give any prompt, okay, like 3D render of a cute tropical fish in an aquarium, on a dark blue background, okay, digital art. So if you just give this prompt, okay, it will be able to generate this image, okay? So here actually you don't even like need artist, okay? Here if you want to draw these kinds of images, okay, even see, it will create these images like awesome, okay? Like see like how realistic it is, okay? So this is another, so this is one of the like you can say insane research from their side. Even I created one video on Delhi too, okay? If you haven't seen, so you can, so if you haven't watched that one, so you can watch it from my YouTube channel, okay? It is available. But recently they have came up with this one chat gpt, and I was just totally impressed with that. Like it is one of the like best research I think they have done. So here guys, I will show you like how you can use chat gpt, okay, in your day-to-day life, okay? So till now guys, it's making revolution, okay, in the field of you can say natural language processing, if I talk about, okay? But I don't know in future what they will do with that. Actually I'm just waiting, okay? I just want to see what they do. So here guys, if you see, in just 5 days, okay, chat gpt reached 1 million users, okay? 1 million users, just imagine, okay? Like more than your Netflix, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. If you see Netflix like took 41 month to reach 1 million subscriber. Then Twitter took like you can say 24 month, okay? Then Facebook took 10 month, Instagram took 1 month, okay? But ChatGPT in just 5 days it reached 1 million users, okay? And if you see Twitter's, okay, it's like trending topic, okay, nowadays, okay, over the internet. And this is the OpenAI organization, okay? So they have done this research, if you see. So it's like so here basically you need to create an account, okay? You need to sign up with this OpenAI. So if you have the account, so I think it would be free to use this chat gpt as of now. There is no cost needed, okay, to use the chat gpt. So whenever you will be logging with your OpenAI account, so you'll be getting this kinds of page, okay? So here if you see introducing ChatGPT research release, okay, if you just click on try out, so it will take you through this page, okay? So this is the like you can say our ChatGPT, you can say landing page. So here they have given some of the example like you can start with, okay? So let's ask. So now let's like try some of the question here, okay? Let's see like how it is performing. So the first question I'm going to ask here. So let's ask like what is Python, okay? What is Python? I know it's a simple questions it would be able to answer, but let's start with this one. So see, it's giving like a great definition. Python is a popular high-level programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and flexibility. Okay, and see, it is like writing everything, okay, in a neat and clean way, and it's totally awesome. Okay, it's totally awesome if you see. Okay, it will give you every information. Okay, every information. Now here I will now here I will ask now here I will tell like show me some example like of one Python you can say function, okay? Let's see what happened. So here I will write like show me an example of image classification in PyTorch. Okay, PyTorch. So now let's ask these questions. So now see what happened. Now guys, see, it's giving me the answer. Also, see, it's writing the code in that way so that I can copy paste this code also. Okay, so it's like totally amazing. Like if you see, uh, awesome. Like guys, I just love this one. I just love this research they have done. It's awesome. See, it's creating the data loader. See, first of all, it's loading the MNIST data. Then it's doing the like trend test, trend validation split. Okay. Now see, it's making the function like like defining the model. Okay. Like see, convolutional model. It's doing. Then it is defining the forward. You can say forward propagation function. Okay. Is it's awesome, right? Okay, now see, if you want to do anything right now, like if you need any code, don't search on Google, just come to, you can say your chat GPT, try to write like this code you need. Okay, it will generate, okay, it will give you the code. Okay, see guys, it's still writing. Okay, this is your final trend loop. Okay, see, it is not even just given me the code. Okay, it's just explained the code also. It has written this code first loads the MNIST dataset, which consists of image of handwritten digit and then split into 10 set. Okay, that's actually, it will also explain the code. Okay, it's awesome. Okay, it's awesome. So I think you remember there was another research called GitHub Copilot. Okay, so we used to use our okay, we used to use this one in our VS Code. Okay, so there actually we used to get the code suggestion. Okay, so this application is also using GPT. Okay, GPT like OpenAI GPT. Okay, so now just see the like power of GPT. Okay, now it is okay, it's awesome. So this is another example. Now here what I was doing, I was practicing some C++ code. Okay, so I got one error. So what I did, I just copied the code and just asked to my chat GPT, okay, just fix this code for me. Okay, like where I'm getting the error. Okay, and it was able to like correctly identify the error. Okay, and it was able to like giving me the explanation. Okay, so here first of all let me show you the code. See guys, this is the code like I was practicing. So this is like a basics function I have written, like power function. Okay, so it will just calculate the power. Okay, but here I did some mistake here, if you see. Okay, so what I did, I just copied this code. Okay, I just copied this code, and let's go back to our chat GPT and let's ask like so here what I did, I just written fix this code for me, then I pasted this code here. Okay, now let's see whether it is able to do it or not. Then I will send a request. Okay, see, uh it's telling here is the fix and it will fix the code. Okay, see guys how beautifully it will identify the error. So I will tell you what is the mistake I did here. See, here I did the mistake like add a semicolon after the function call. So here if you see my code, okay, here let me show you. So here actually I haven't defined the semicolon. Okay, this one, and see it is beautifully like able to add the comment also, like where I did the mistake. Even it will explain like there was a missing semicolon at the end of the line where power function was called. This caused a syntax error in the code. Okay, even I don't need to go to Stack Overflow and search for it. Okay, I have my chat GPT, I can ask here and I will get the solution. Okay, but still like there are some restriction with this chat GPT. Okay, so I can't say like it will replace human. Okay, because see, human is like at the end everything. Okay, so it can't actually never beat like human knowledge. Okay, so it can perform well, it can give you the solutions in a faster way, but I won't be telling like it will be replacing human. Okay, as of now. But if you want the quick solution, okay, if you are looking for a quick solution, so it's awesome. Okay, because it will give you everything, every like you can say information. Okay, whatever you ask here. Now let's ask some of the general questions. So what I will do, so here let me ask one question. So here I have written I'm trying to lose my weights. Okay, make a list of 3 dishes I can eat without carbs. Okay, now let's ask. Okay, so here it's telling here like 3 dishes, okay, you can eat without carbs. So it's telling grilled chicken with the vegetables. Okay, now see, these are the food it's like suggesting. Okay, 3 foods. Okay, here if you see, So it's telling mushroom omelette. Okay, these are the thing. Okay, now let's ask another question. So based on that, actually, I will ask the question. See, so one thing I love this ChatGPT is like it is able to remember your previous question, previous to previous question also. Like if you are asking questions, okay, with a flow, it will also remember like what you are asking. Suppose this question I ask. Okay, now what I will ask provide shopping list based on these three dishes. See, I asked this question already. Okay, now I'm just telling provide shopping list based on three dishes. Okay, so basically it remembers my previous questions. Now if I ask the next questions, so what will happen? Let's see. See, it's able to generate the shopping list for me based on my previous questions. Okay, here if you see, it's awesome. Okay, it's awesome. So yes guys, you can do a lots of experiment with this chat gpt. Okay, just try to create one account, try to test it because as of now it's free, and just give your opinion, okay, in the comments, like what do you think? Okay, will it be replaced programmers? Okay, will it be replace human? Okay, will it replace stack overflow? Okay, just ask, just give your opinion in the comment section. Okay, because I know you will have different opinion, but what I feel like as a research, as a research, I love this research. Okay, because what I feel like as a research, I love this research because it is kinds of mind-blowing research they have done, and it's awesome. Okay, in the field of NLP, I will say it's awesome research. Okay, they have done. So yes guys, this is all about from this video. I think now you got it what is chat gpt and how we can use it. Okay, so yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.